What is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily set up your account on Whop.com. So of course, head over to the website to Whop.com, and from here you can easily create an account or log in if you already have an existing one. But if you still doesn't have one, you can easily create an account, or you can also sign up or create an account using your Discord account, your Google account, or Apple account. We can start here by choosing your profile picture, or you can also choose from the available WAP avatars. Then just click on save. You can join some WAPs from the list. Say for example, this WAP clips. Just click on join, then click on next. Here you will then be redirected to your home page. So what we're going to do is we're going to head to our profile page by clicking on our profile icon. So in the general settings, we can change our name. We can also add our bio. We can also change our username, our email address, and we can even add our phone number. From here, we can also customize what other people see in our profile. We can toggle this on and off. Then once done, just click on save. And in the connected accounts section here, we can add or connect our accounts from other social media platforms such as Discord, Instagram, Telegram, YouTube, TradingView, TikTok, and X. And in the security and privacy, we can also add two-factor authentication to add more security to our account. We can use an authenticator app or just receive a code via SMS. If you want to enable this, just click on Enable Two-Factor Authentication. And in the payment methods section, this is where we can add payment methods. Start here by entering your card number, expiration date, CVC, your full name, country or region, and address line. Then once done, just click on Save. And in the balance page, this is where we can view our total balance and transaction histories, withdrawals, deposits, and deductions. And in the billing history, this is where all our purchases will appear, all the active purchases, one-time purchases awaiting approval, and even inactive purchases. And in the resolution center, the history of our reported issues with the WAP membership will be listed or shown here. And in the danger zone, this is where we can easily delete our account or simply just sign out. And from that, you are now all set to use and enjoy Whoop. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!